So some people will come to us looking for an actual SIP kit. In some cases, we actually can put together the entire kit for you based on sets of plans, but in most cases, we will work with your sets of plans to create an actual SIP kit for your plans. There are some design plans out there that are pre-designed for SIPs in general, but you don't necessarily need that. Just bring us your plans and we will put together a kit for you. So once we get an order from you, we're going to turn your standard set of drawings into a set of SIP plans. And that's what Aaron's doing over here. And as you can see, essentially, we're going to give you 2D drawings, 3D isometrics. The panels are all going to have numbers on them. And you're going to have this 3D isometric so you get a good idea of what the package should look like after it goes together. And then, of course, all those drawings are going to have detailed nailing patterns on them, details as far as how panels come together, if there's any special details on there, special nailing patterns that are on there. And we'll break them out by the side of the house, west elevation, north elevation, east elevation, and so forth, roof or whatnot. So that once you get your panels, you're going to get a full set of plans as well as to how to put them together.